Hello guys, I wanted to very quickly share with you the difference between Pangaia's 365 collection and their 365 signature collection. So the 365 collection is made with 100% organic cotton and a medium weight fabric. This is the kind of tracksuit material that you could actually wear all year round. You could just add an extra layer or two underneath during those cooler months, and during summer you could just style it back with a t-shirt and shorts. Whereas their 365 signature collection has the same shape and fit, however is extra cozy and warm, perfect for Melbourne winter as it is currently freezing here. It is made with responsibly sourced, recycled and organic cotton mix and has a thicker, heavier weight fabric. It's definitely softer and almost feels like a fleece on the inside, perfect for cuddling up during the colder months and being super cozy. Also, in case you guys were wondering, I opted to get a size small in everything, both the top and the bottoms, as I wanted a more relaxed fit. I'll be traveling quite a bit over the next couple of months and I love wearing chic tracksuits like this on the plane, so a relaxed fit is ideal, and I found this sizing has been perfect for all the pieces. Anyways, that is all. Let's get back to this video. I really need to buy another one of these primers because I am completely out and I'm pretty much just making do with no primer at the moment. It is like 10 AM on a Monday morning and I did not sleep a single wink last night. Not even like an hour, just no sleep. My insomnia at the moment has been really bad. It's just like I'll have 3 nights where I sleep 9 hours and then I won't sleep for 2 days. So we love that. In case you're wondering, I am still not drinking coffee. I have not touched it now for literally a month. I have a pretty fun week planned, and also my friend Chris, the one who lives in Sydney. I think you guys might have met him before on the vlog, but maybe not for like a year or so. You might have seen him in my Sydney vlog. I'm really not sure, but oh, there's a bug. Anyways, he's coming to stay with me this week, which should be really fun. He's on his way from the airport right now. So there's this new cafe that recently opened up in the CBD. You guys know how much I love to try new cafes. It's like honestly my passion, it's my hobby, it's what gets me out of bed. It's all the things. I'm gonna take Chris there today. Hopefully it's good because I haven't actually been myself. Maybe after that we'll go for lunch, see where the day takes us. You know the vibe. Guys, the weather, it's not it. Come under the umbrella.
There we go.
Hold it high. We're going to Chibi for lunch, which is the best.
So excited.
It's going to make it all work. Guys, the TV unit has just arrived. I'm so excited. Thankfully I have Chris here who is going to help me. I'm excited. I just wanted to show you guys the new TV unit during the day because obviously it looks very different at night. So here it is. I bought it from the furniture shop called Broza. It was actually on sale when I got it. And it also came with legs, but we decided to just leave it without the legs. I feel like it just looks a little bit more clean and a bit more minimal and sort of goes with the rest of the space. We are going to buy a new TV and we're going to get it mounted onto the wall. So hopefully it will end up covering those little PowerPoints, and we're also going to mount that speaker underneath the TV. That speaker, I'm not really sure what we're going to do with it just yet, but we're not going to leave it there. It's just there for the moment. And yeah, obviously I really need a new pot for that plant there. Just let's ignore that. I think this piece is a really good base. It definitely fits in with the rest of the furniture. I didn't want to get the same wood as I've got everywhere else. I wanted something different, and I also like mixing and matching my woods, which I know isn't for everyone, but I really like that look. I kind of feel like we need something else on this wall here, maybe like a empty sort of shelving unit where you can sort of see the wall at the back so it doesn't like lose the lots of white space vibe. And I also really want to change that chair. Like I don't want to have that one there anymore. I want to have something different. I just, again, haven't really found anything that I like, but otherwise I think it looks really good. I'll obviously keep you guys updated as this wall continues to evolve, but I think so far it is definitely an improvement on what we had. I'm just heading out for lunch now. I'm going to meet Chris at Terra Twilight in Collingwood, and I also need to go to the grocery store. I think I'm gonna make like Mexican chili tonight, and I've also got Maxine coming as well, so I just need to go and buy the ingredients. We've gone very blue today. I've got on my Pangaia navy blue tracksuit jumper. This one is from the 365 Signature collection, so it's like super warm inside, which is good because it's currently like 9 degrees. My jeans are just from St. Agni, and also so is my brown bag. And obviously shoes are just my blue Converses. I sort of just chucked this outfit on and I actually really love it. So yeah, anyways, let's go. Good morning guys, happy Wednesday. Firstly, I just have a dentist appointment because they want to see how my teeth are going post wisdom teeth removal surgery situation. It's been exactly a month since I got my wisdom teeth removed. Then I'm going to get my nails done because these ones have grown out quite a lot. I don't know if you can actually see, but yes. And after that, I've also got a Botox appointment. That's what I'm gonna go out and do now. Outfit of the day, very casual and comfortable, starting with my shoes. These are the ones from St. Agni that I've been wearing on Instagram quite a bit. I wanted to wear them today because they're so comfortable and also so warm with the like fluff inside, and it's really cold outside. Jeans are just from a weekday store. Hoodie is obviously from Pangaia. I also like did a little half tuck in the front here, which I think looks really cute and kind of makes it look a little bit more like put together or something. I don't know. I like it. This jumper's from their 365 collection, so it doesn't have that extra warm fleece on the inside, but I've got the long sleeve top underneath. I've got a jacket in the car, so I'll be fine. And my bag is from St. Agni. It's the same one that I was wearing yesterday. Anyways, let's go.